Are you an e-commerce seller looking for the perfect apps to boost your business? With Taranker, finding the right tools has never been easier. Let's check out how you can compare apps side by side, all in just a few clicks. Start by visiting Taranker page. Here you can compare apps, making it simple to find the perfect tools tailored to your e-commerce needs. Step 1. Choose the apps you want to compare. Simply click the Compare button under each app, and the comparison card will pop up at the bottom of the page. Remember, you can select up to 4 apps. Step 2. Click Compare Now to view the detailed comparison. Taranker helps you analyze ratings, pricing, features, pros and cons, categories, and other key information. Each app shines in different ways, making it easy to see which one fits your business best. Step 3. Want to save the comparison for later? No problem. You can send the comparison directly to your inbox with just a click. So what are you waiting for? Try out our app comparison tool for free and find the perfect apps to grow your e-commerce business. Sign up for Taranker today and start comparing apps.